Custom lighting for the outside of your house can be very difficult to install and very expensive, especially if you're paying somebody else to do the installation work for you. In this video, I'll be partnering with Appeck to take a look at their Outdoor Permanent Lights Pro. These are lights for the exterior of your home that are very easy to install and very affordable. Let's go ahead and get started. So this is the 200-foot set. It has 144 lights. This does 2700 through 6500 Kelvin and can produce over 16 million lights. Let's go ahead and get this out of the box and see what all we're working with. Right on top, we have a quick start guide, kind of giving you the rundown of how to get these installed. You've got a user manual. I haven't seen a remote like this in any of the other setups. Usually the remote is on the control box, which this also has a remote on the control box, but it is nice that you can just point a remote and click to change. Here we have our power supply and control box. This came with 4 extension cords, so if you needed to go from like one level to the next, you've got 4 of these 14-foot extension cords. This did come with some extra 3M sticky tape and some extra caps. And then last but not least, we have the most important part of the whole setup here, which would be your lights. For me, one of the major benefits of a product like this is just how easy it is to install. You're not having to hire someone else to do this. This is really do-it-yourself friendly. Each light comes with its own 3M adhesive that you can literally just press and hold for 8 seconds and you're done. That's how easy it is to install. For a more permanent solution, this kit does come with clips and screws. Being able to cut and splice this allows you to get the cleanest possible setup. You're not left with excess wire hanging off the side of your house, or if you have a specific area that needs a specific length, you're able to make that custom length. These are extendable and come with extension cords that have signal boosters built in to amplify the signal for up to 36.5 feet. The lights are IP67 water resistant, so once you have them installed, you don't have to worry about weather affecting these. One thing that I really like about these lights is that it has a dual lens design. So you have one lens that has RGB lights and then a totally separate lens that has both cool and warm white. The new anti-glare lens provides a wall washing effect that extends up to 16 inches. These are among the brightest outdoor lights that I've tested at up to 65 lumens per light. When it comes to the programming and app integration, these are fully customizable and we're gonna look at that right now. To get these connected to your app, you're gonna grab the Smart Life application. Go ahead and register your account or whatever. We'll click the plus button, add device. To put this in pairing mode, you're just going to press and hold the power button on the control box until you get this blinking blue light. All right, back to the application, you'll see the lights pop up. Here we'll click add. It's asking for our Wi-Fi information. All right, so now it is adding this to the application. Just like that, the lights have been added to the application and you can now customize and control these from your phone. From the application, we can quickly turn this on and off. This is where we'll be able to do all of our customization. So you have a purely white light here. You can change the brightness. You can change the temperature. So right now we've got cool white. We can turn that to more warm white or somewhere in between. Okay, and we can go to color. And we can pretty much select any color on the spectrum with the color wheel, and it changes the color automatically. You can also turn these lights on and off individually. So if you want to turn the lights on, you just color them back in. And then you go to this erase option and erase lights to give it more of like a can light effect. You also have the scenes option here, and you can do this based on mood, festivals, life, scenery, or color. And since we're right here at the holidays at Christmas time, we'll go ahead and enable the Christmas theme. All right, and that just kind of gives us a Christmassy theme. And I really like how it's giving a light show, not just specific colors, but it's turning them off and on and giving a full show. Some other good ones would be like Independence Day. That's a pretty good one. We've got St. Patrick's Day. You can save your favorites here under this collect option, and you can customize your own light show through the customization option. Another fun option here, especially during the holidays, is this option to sync it with music. This is synced up to rock music. Jazz music, there's an option for that. Classical, energy, you can even amp up the sensitivity or dial it back. Under other, you do have an option to set this up on a schedule. You can set this up to turn on at certain times and on certain days. You can also control this with your voice. Okay, power off outdoor lights. Okay, power on outdoor lights. Overall, if you're looking for super bright, customizable outdoor permanent lights, then the Appeck Permanent Outdoor Lights Pro is definitely a great option. I'll be sure to include links in the description of where you can pick these up for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.